Yo, what's up, my guys? It's me, Town-Rida. It's been a long time since my last video, and yeah, I figured today's the day we gotta do it. So I decided I'm gonna be making some tacos. So here are my ingredients laid out. I've never made tacos before, so we're gonna be tackling this together. I have a pound of ground beef, some taco seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, peppers and onions, avocado, jalapenos, limes, flour tortillas, shredded cheese, chef sour cream, some blue corn tortilla chips. I'm thinking about crushing these up and adding them to the tacos at the end. And we'll probably add some tajin in there as well. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a quick guac, and I'm going to leave it in the fridge as I brown my beef. And I'm also going to cut my vegetables right now. This is like the strongest onion ever. I'm straight getting bodied. I'm sniffling, I'm crying, man. This is a tough onion, man. Alright, so I've chopped everything up to the best of my abilities. I have onions in here, peppers, and I have jalapenos in here. And I have one avocado in here, which I've already put some jalapenos, a little bit of garlic, and some onions in here. Alright, so it's mashed up pretty well. Again, this was just one avocado. You can make more if you'd like. I'm going to finish this off. I'm going to add a little tajin to it. This is a chili lime seasoning. And yeah, then we're going to mix it back up. And then we're going to throw it in the fridge. And then start browning our beef. Always make sure you wash your hands after you cut jalapenos or any hot pepper, and don't touch your eyes or your face. Alright, so it's time to start cooking our beef. I have a skillet going on with some avocado oil in it, and I already mixed this beef with a little salt and pepper. So this seasoning packet here says that we're going to add this after the beef is done cooking, and then we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of water, but I'm actually going to try using some beer instead. But yeah, let's get this into the pan and get it cooking. Alright, so most of the beef is done cooking. So while that's going on, I'm just going to add a little onion. Not all of it, just a little bit. And then I'm going to add a little garlic. And then once this is done, we'll add our seasoning packet. Alright, so the beef seems to be done cooking. I've reduced the heat, and we're going to add some beer. We're adding an IPA, just a little bit. Let's see if this works. And then we'll add our seasoning packet. We'll mix that all in, and then we'll let it simmer for a little bit. Alright, so this has been simmering for roughly 5 minutes, and I think it's ready. I'm going to transfer it into this bowl, and then we're going to cook some of our vegetables in the meat juices that we have going on here. Okay, so I transferred the majority of the beef into this separate mixing bowl here, and now I have my peppers and onions and some jalapenos in here. I'm going to add actually a little bit more jalapeno, and hopefully this will absorb the rest of the meat juices that are inside of this pan and give these vegetables a nice flavor. Alright, I think our vegetables are done. I'm going to add these to a separate container. Alright, now that the vegetables are up, we're gonna toast our tortillas in the pan. Once this tortilla crisps up a little bit on the pan, flip it over. I'm gonna add a little cheese to it right now. Okay, I think this is done. I'm gonna add this to our plating. Merry Christmas. And I'm going to repeat that for at least 2 or 3 more tortillas. Alright, so everything's pretty much set up now. Everything seems to be done. So I have my build station here. First off, gotta enjoy the mood here. But you know, you gotta have your Christmas lights up till March, you know? But anyways, here's my build station. I have my tortillas here, and here's the spiced beef. You're probably gonna wanna give this a stir because some of the juices are gonna settle. I have my peppers and onions here, my guac, my sour cream, and some cheese, and some hot sauce. But yeah, let's give this a whirl. Alright, so here's the build station in action. So, yeah, I guess I'll just take some beef, put it on the taco, a little bit more. I'll add some pepper and onions, add a little guac on top. Tiny bit of cheese, just a little bit. Little jalapeno action. And a smidge of sour cream on top. Alright. Alright, hopefully you can see this. I want to get my new mask dirty, so here's a face reveal. Alright, let's give these tacos a whirl. I'll take some lime, squeeze it over my taco first. Alright, this is what we got. So you can see that. Oh yeah. Damn. It's really good. Wow. The beef is crazy. The guac and the sour cream. I got some more lime on there. I'm no abuelita. This is awesome, man. This is amazing. It was so simple to do. I'm sure there's definitely way better ways to make this. Probably way more authentic recipes, but considering what I had, I think these are great. Wow. Mask is in shambles, so I'm going back to this mask for now. I'm gonna eat this one maskless. I decided to put the sour cream and the guac on first, then some veggies, and then some beef. So we'll see how that goes. But before you eat round two, a wise man once said, "Never forget the bet. Never, never." And here we have our lime jarritos, and we're gonna add a little bit of this tequila. Just a smidge. And then add our jarritos. Yeah, this should go really well with this. I'm trying to eat this as clean as I can. I don't want to get this mash dirty. Add a little lime. There we go. Alright. Alright. So hopefully you can see that a little bit better now. Alright. Oh, this is gonna be tough. You know what? I gotta do this without the mask. I'll let you know how it is. Alright, hopefully you can see that. Alright, let's give this a whirl. This is a different build. I think I like this way a little bit better. Oh, that's delicious. Wow, that's really good. Anyway, you guys, I think we did a pretty good job. Again, there's definitely more authentic meals, probably better tacos you can make, but considering I just slapped this together kind of, I think I did pretty well for my first time. But peace out, guys. Enjoy.